Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes of your Samsung Galaxy phone. So for that we will need the dialer phone. And let's start with the first code. It's *#0228#. So then we are the battery status. So here we can see what's the current voltage and also the charging level here. 33%, as we can check here, it's okay. And but don't tap here on quick start because it could damage some stuff in our operating system and we don't want that. Okay, let's go to the next code. So just go back here with the arrow. And the next mode is the service mode. So *9090#. You can also check some stuff, but I have some more interesting stuff here with *#0*#, because this is the test mode and the test mode is very nice. Here you could check really your smartphone. So here you can check the red color on your phone, the green color, the blue color. Seems to be well. You can check here the receiver. Also okay. So tap on the display to get back, always. And the vibration. It is a permanent vibration, by the way, for whatever you want to use it for. Just tap here on the screen to go back. We have the mega cam here. And if you want to make a test, so you can here tap on the photo and you will make a picture with this cam, or if you have a triple cam or something like this, you will make it as like me here. It will take a picture of all the cams and so on. So go back here with the arrow. A double tap to go back on the arrow to get back. So then let's check here the grip sensor. It is very important during a call that the screen is turning off. As you can see, it is working. And if you have a fingerprint sensor, maybe you can also tap here on that place and it's working as well. Double tap here to go back. Okay, then let's check the other sensors. So we have a fingerprint sensor that we have checked already, and we can check here the magnetic sensor. Everything works. So if the number are jumping, then everything is fine. The gyroscope sensor and the accelerometer sensor is good as well, so seems to be good. So double tap to go back here, and then the touch is nice. To get out here, you have to tap on every block, so you have to fulfill the blocks with the green color. I need a glass. I need glasses, by the way, so that I could find out at the test here. Okay, and you have to fill out all these blocks to get out here. Okay, let's check the speakers to have some music. Nice. So let's check the subkeys. So the subkeys are these ones here. This for the recent tab works, the home button works, and the back button works as well. If you want to go back, double tap here on the arrow. So, the front cam. Now you know how I work. Hello, by the way. I've checked my nose as well. And same thing. We can take a picture here to check if everything is okay. And it seems everything is okay. And double tap here on the arrow to get back. Okay. Then we can make a sensor hub test here. Seems to be okay as well. Then if we unlock here, it has passed. And one more time. So let us pass it. Tap here to get out. And now we have something special, the black screen. You can also turn off your phone to check that. But this is that you can see maybe if the glass is broken, if the display is broken, if there's running out something from the display and so on. So this have to be a clear black color, then everything is okay. You can't go back like this here. Now you have to use the power button to get back. Okay, and very nice here is also we have here the version. And with this number here, you could check also if it's the phone you really wanted to have. You can check this model number on the internet, and then you will see which version it is. So double tap here on the arrow to get back, and let's go now to the next secret code. So double tap here to get out at the arrow, and if it doesn't work with the version, there's another code how you can see that which version you have. So star hash 1234 hash, and you would see also this version, and you can check the model number. Okay, if you still have the box, you could check here also at a label if it's the model number you should have. It's for example, to check if your phone is real or not. And if you want to be really sure, let's go back here. There's another code, works on every smartphone, star hash 06 hash. With that, you can always check your IMEI numbers. Ne? You will have 2 IMEI numbers if you have a dual SIM phone like me here, and you can check that also here on the box again. So you will have always the IMEI numbers here on the box, and you can check also if it's really the phone I have bought. Yeah, so tap on OK to get back. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you something new. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah. Maybe until next time. Oh, my phone wants to make an update. Okay, let's do it now, yeah? But I say ciao.